Hello children, welcome to your science class. I am Pooja, your science teacher. Today also we will continue our block 4, that is features of birds. In previous classes we discussed about kinds of feathers and beaks. Feathers and beaks are considered a unique feature of birds. Do you know other unique feature of bird? Yes, feet and claws are unique feature of birds. So today's our aim is different kinds of feet and claws. Let's start the topic. Birds have 2 feet and 4 toes. They have 4 toes or claws for walking, hopping, picking things, catching and holding food. Different birds have different kinds of feet and claws. Let's know more about different kinds of feet and claws of birds by this video.
About the feet and the claws of the birds. As we know, birds have 2 feet. Each foot generally has 4 toes. The use of feet is to walk, hop around, and also to catch and eat food. You must have seen the birds like sparrows, crows, manas sitting or perching on the branches of trees. They have 3 toes in the front and one at the back. This helps them to hold on the branch tightly and to sit down. Now coming to climbing birds. Woodpeckers have 2 toes pointing forward and 2 pointing backwards. The back toes help them to grip as they climb trees. The front toes help them to hold food to eat. Roosters and hens find their food on the ground. For this, they scratch the ground to eat the hidden insects and the seeds inside the ground. Their sharp and hard claws help them to dig. Eagles and hawks have sharp, curved claws and they are called talons. They use their talons to grip and carry small animals. You must have seen or heard about ducks, cranes, and herons. You can find them near water bodies. But have you noticed that ducks swim in the water while cranes and herons walk in the shallow water? Does this mean they have different kinds of feet? Yes, you are right. Ducks are swimmers and they have webbed feet which act like the pedals in the water. They help them in swimming. Cranes and herons are called wading birds. They have long thin legs with spreading toes. They can walk in shallow water and pick up the fish from the water. Have you heard about a bird which cannot fly but can run very fast? We are talking about the ostrich. Ostrich has only 2 toes, but it has very strong and long legs that help it to run fast. But ostrich is big and heavy with small wings, hence it cannot fly.
First type of feet and claws are sharp, strong and hooked claws. Birds like eagles, hawks and vultures are having these type of claws to catch and hold the other animal. Second type of feet and claws are webbed feet. Birds like ducks, goose have webbed feet. In webbed feet, toes joined by the skin. That's why their feet appear flat. Webbed feet work like paddles and help these in swimming. Third type of feet are wading feet. Birds like heron, storks, and cranes are called wading birds who can walk in shallow water. These birds have spreaded toes help them to walk in water easily while catching the birds. Fourth type is perching birds. Perching birds have long cylindrical and strong feet. They have 4 toes, 3 face forward and the fourth face backward. So they can sit on wires and branches. Some birds like woodpecker and parrot known as climbing birds, so they have 2 toes in front and 2 toes in backward to climb the trees. Think and answer it. What kind of feet do penguins have? Yes, penguins live in very cold region where there is a lot of snow and sea water. They have webbed feet which is help them swim in water and walk on snow for search their food. So we have discussed here different kinds of feet and claws of birds. Hope you will get the topic. Thank you.